Mastering time management with the Pomodoro Technique using BeforeSunset AI is a game changer. Stay focused, prioritize tasks, and eliminate distractions as you work in 25-minute intervals with features like Priority, Oasis, and the Ambience Generator. When distractions threaten to break your concentration during Pomodoro sessions, Oasis becomes your productivity sanctuary. Activate this feature to block interruptions during each 25-minute work interval, helping you maintain deep focus from start to finish. This distraction-free environment is perfect for maximizing the effectiveness of the Pomodoro Technique. Wondering which tasks deserve your focused Pomodoro time? Priority tags bring clarity to your workflow. Apply these tags to identify your most important tasks, ensuring each Pomodoro session is spent on high-value work. This simple prioritization system helps you make meaningful progress on what really matters. When brilliant ideas pop up mid-Pomodoro that you don't want to forget, the Notes feature captures your thoughts without breaking your flow. Quickly jot down ideas or insights during your session, then return to them later. This prevents the mental distraction of trying to remember important details while staying focused on your current task. Finding your concentration waning during longer Pomodoro sessions? Play music in Oasis while working through your tasks. This feature has been shown to increase productivity by 30% during Pomodoro sessions, helping you maintain momentum through multiple work intervals without mental fatigue. Need that perfect environment to maximize your Pomodoro focus? The Ambience Generator in Oasis creates your ideal work atmosphere. Choose from various background sounds to enhance concentration during your 25-minute sessions, whether you prefer gentle rain, fireplace sounds, or white noise. Prefer a more flexible approach than traditional Pomodoro timing? Customize the Pomodoro timer on the Oasis screen and adjust it to your preferred work intervals. This flexibility allows you to maintain the spirit of time blocking while adapting the technique to your personal productivity rhythms and task requirements. Thank you so much for watching. Happy planning!